Itchy, itchy chicken pox. A spot, a spot, another spot. Uh-oh, chicken pox. Under my shirt, under my socks, itchy, itchy chicken pox. Don't rub, don't scratch. Oh no, another batch. On my tummy, between my toes, down my back, on my nose. Lotion on, itching's gone, just for now. It comes back, ow! 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and more and more. Daddy counts my itchy spots, lots and lots of chicken pox. Itchy, itchy, I feel twitchy. I run away, the itching stays. Rubber ducky doesn't like my yucky mucky oatmeal bath, but Mommy says it's good for me. I rest, I read, I eat, I play. I feel better every day. And then, no new spots, hooray! I'm okay, I get to go to school today. The end.